The BB gun, the Red Ryder. It's the Red Ryder. Vera Bradley! Oh, dude, you're the man!
Oh, definitely on this side.
Is it?
I got it with my super sharp ones.
Yeah, you think so?
Did you have a knife or something, maybe?
No, I like watching them struggle.
They're all sorted with different pages on each. Oh, we took it off?
Oh, there they go. Yep.
Oh, really?
Another one.
That other side.
Yeah. Here's the one.
20 layers, right?
Yeah, look good. He wears more clothes than I might.
I'm getting great pictures.
Oh, Zach!
What? Wait. Super Mario. Super Mario.
Nice, Super Mario.
Put them inside all the boxes. Put them inside. No, I can bring mine to the house.
Super Mario.
Oh, you get a TV.
Oh, he gets a TV? Wow.
TV.
No, that's a GP. Where am I going?
Oh, GPS.
What, you get a driver's license soon? Are you kidding me? Another one of them I keep signing giving.
If he doesn't want that Phillips
Let
box,
go.
give it to me. You want that?
What set is it?
Oh, she wants that Phillips box.
Super.
I actually want that. It's
Are
alright.
you sure?
We're gonna keep them all.
Oh, okay.
Lincoln Kyle. Here, make it
I like to keep them slim.
It's
Yeah, there's people over on this side too.
Yeah, nice.
cheese or something there.
Nope, I had it.
Got a plastic knife if you want one.
Oh, I think we lost some of our slumbers upstairs.
Lincoln Kyle camera. Smile, smile.
Yeah, I'm up there.
Unless it's in this.